Jai Gurudev. Today in this video we are taking one activities of class 6 given in my book Joy of Learning Mathematics class 6. How to represent decimal on the graph paper. A representation of decimal number on a graph paper. Suppose single digit number is there. We have taken this rectangle strip. Divide this into 10 equal parts. It is very important. So you can, on graph paper, you cut a graph paper whose length is 10 centimeter and width is just 1 centimeter. If you want to take width more, no harm, but take a rectangular piece and then fold mark. Fold or mark anything. Folding is not possible in 10. So you mark here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make such 10, 12 strip with you. Cut them of equal size and then it will be easy to use them. Now here take one strip out of those what you have prepared and mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. Color it with your any brush or your crayon pencil. You can color it. This we have done it, and if you want to show it, this is little bit darker. So this is, and this is I have marked here 0.7. Why? Out of 10 we have taken 7 only. 3 are left. So this is 0.7. If I will select, I would have selected say at this is only this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0.5 till this. In another figure you can see here, we have selected only first 5. So these are, this strip, this shaded region denotes the 0.5, means half. 0.5 is nothing, half of. We have considered this is a 1. Full strip is a 1. Here also is a 1. So each strip is 1 unit. And out of that it is, we have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Colored it. So colored portion is 0.5. in fractional value. Here this way to I have done it, and this you can select right here what is the number. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is, can anybody tell me the answer? Simply 0.6, means 6 out of 10. So 6 by 10 also we can write here. For this we can write 5 out of 10. So 5 by 10. This is 7 small boxes out of 10. So 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. In this, check it and making little darker. Now, out of 10, only 1 is unshaded portion. This box is unshaded. So 9 boxes are shaded and 1 box is not shaded. So this is this way This is 9 boxes are colored out of 10. So 9 by 10 we can write, or simply 0.9 we can write it. Now if want to compare it, which is bigger or smaller, say among these two, which is bigger? It is clearly visible. It is 0.6 is bigger than 0.5. Here it is 0.9, that is bigger than 0.7. Just 0.7 is smaller than 0.9. In other way also we can say. So we can compare them, adding them, subtracting them. By practice you can add them and subtract them. You can manage it. As for adding these 3 boxes, so take these 3, make it full. This is whole and remaining 2. So 1.0 remaining 2 boxes means, so 2 boxes is equal to 0.2 in terms of fraction. So 1 here and 0.2. So you can add or adding and subtracting also. Suppose you want to subtract this from this. So 0.7 and these 2 boxes, here it is 7, 0.7, 7 boxes. So and 5 boxes here is 0.5. So these 2 boxes remain out of this 10. So that is 0.2 difference. So you can practice and ask your teacher. He can tell you more about this. This we are taking. This I am making here. This is 2 decimal. For 2 decimal we are making taking a graph paper 10 unit in length and 10 unit in width. Out of this we have shaded this portion. You can this is this is portion. Here it is, this gray portion is out of 100 we have selected 10, 10, 10, 30, 40, 50 and this is 55. So it is 0.55. 0.55. So remaining, now we will count this 10 yellow portion, 10, 20, this 10, 30, this 10, 40 and this is 45 out of 100. So 45 by 100 we can write, and that can be represented in decimal 0.45. So this we can represent, this yellow portion is simply 0.55, whereas this gray portion, this color portion is 0.55. Add them, it will be equal to 100. Now suppose we want to learn more. This here, in this we have shaded one pink and other yellow portion. Now we can count. This is 10, these boxes are 10. So 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. And 50 then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 57. This pink portion is 57 out of this 100. So 57 by 100 can be written as 0.55. This remaining portion, now check, this 10 plus this 10, 20, this 30, this 40, 41, 42, 43. So 43, yellow portion is 43 out of 100, means 100 is taken as a 1. So 43 by 100 can be written as 0.43. So you can this thing. This is left for you. It is clearly visible here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60, and then DZ. Here we have taken DZ. So 68 out of this 100, 1 unit. So 65, 8 by 100 is 0.68. You can do for yourself for this remaining portion yellow here. Something which is hide. Now you can clearly visible, count these boxes, and this is 10, 10, 20, and then I think it is 6 and 6 are 12, and you can, so it will be 32 boxes out of 100. You can write yourself. I am not telling you, and just for practice you can do. I hope you would have understood this problem. Please like, share and subscribe it, and do not forget to comment it. Good luck for your happy learning and joyful learning. This book, Joy of Learning Mathematics, Class 6, activity number 1, we have discussed today. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi.